What is up, guys? Today we are at a strip and we have Sammy's Tesla Model Y along with the R. So you remember Sammy? Sammy actually has his own YouTube channel right now, and we will link it in the description down below later on. But today we have, what do we have, Sammy?
We have a skin from Abstract Ocean, and we're gonna put it on the Tesla T logos on the front and back.
Alright, now let's go ahead and get started. You peel. Sammy will do the reveal. Just do it at an angle, like that, and then that's it. The rest is history. Nice. There you go. This is the matte black Tesla. Looks nice. And overall, like I said, the coverage is pretty nice. Covers everything, most of the chrome anyway. Let's go ahead and walk to the back. You know how to do that? Just peel at an angle. Yeah. Nice. from here. Okay, you got it? Nice. And that's the rear portion. I'm just gonna touch up on this side one a little bit.
Steering wheel.
Oh yeah, and we got the steering wheel too. Here's a final look or walk around of the Abstract Ocean, or basically just your matte black decal install or vinyl installs on the Tesla emblems. And it definitely completes the look, right? So that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.